the ENGWE M20 Electric Bike stands out in the crowded market of electric bicycles, combining robust engineering with user-friendly features. Designed for adults, this e-bike brings forth a powerful 1000W motor that promises thrilling rides at speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it a great option for commuting or leisurely weekend rides. For anyone considering an electric bike, the M20 offers a compelling package that warrants closer examination. Design and build quality at first glance, the ENGWE M20 impresses with its sleek and modern design. It features a sturdy aluminum frame that balances durability with lightweight properties, ensuring that the bike remains manageable even in high-speed scenarios. The matte black finish, accented with subtle branding, gives the bike a premium look, appealing to both style-conscious riders and those who appreciate a more functional aesthetic. The bike's compact design makes it a breeze to navigate through city traffic, while its 20-inch wheels provide an added advantage in terms of stability and maneuverability. The frame's geometry is well thought out, allowing for a comfortable riding posture that minimizes strain during both short trips and longer adventures. Additionally, the adjustable seat accommodates a range of heights, making it a versatile option for various riders. Performance: the heart of the ENGWE M20 lies in its powerful 1000W motor, which delivers impressive acceleration and the ability to tackle steep inclines with ease. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring hilly terrains, this bike performs exceptionally well, making it a reliable choice for various environments. The top speed of 28 miles per hour is more than adequate for urban commuting, ensuring you can get to your destination quickly without compromising safety. One of the standout features of the M20 is its dual mode. It can operate in electric mode, where you simply throttle, or in pedal assist mode, which allows you to engage more actively with the ride. The pedal assist feature is particularly beneficial for users who want to reap the benefits of exercise while still enjoying the advantages of an electric bike. Riders can select from 3 levels of assistance, which allows for a tailored experience depending on fitness levels and terrain. The 48V13A lithium battery is another highlight, offering an impressive range that varies from 25 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the selected mode. This makes it a practical option for daily commutes and longer excursions alike. The battery is conveniently removable, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office, which is a thoughtful design element that enhances user convenience. Comfort in handling: riding comfort is crucial for any bicycle, and the ENGWE M20 does not disappoint. It features a cushioned saddle that absorbs bumps well, making even rougher terrains feel manageable. Additionally, the front suspension fork helps to smooth out the ride, providing a more enjoyable experience on various surfaces, from city streets to gravel paths. The bike also comes equipped with disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power in varied weather conditions, ensuring safety is prioritized at all times. The braking performance is consistent, which is essential for riders who may encounter unpredictable situations during their rides. Additional features: the ENGWE M20 is packed with thoughtful features that enhance the overall biking experience. The integrated front and rear LED lights ensure visibility during low-light conditions, enhancing safety during night rides. The LCD display on the handlebars provides essential information like speed, battery life, and distance traveled, allowing riders to stay informed without having to divert their attention from the road. Furthermore, the bike is equipped with a durable rear rack that can handle additional cargo, making it suitable for grocery trips or carrying personal items. The inclusion of fenders is another practical touch, helping to keep riders clean and dry in inclement weather. Conclusion: in conclusion, the ENGWE M20 electric bike is an impressive option for anyone seeking a reliable, powerful, and stylish electric bike. Its combination of a robust 1000W motor, high-quality build, and a myriad of thoughtful features make it a standout choice in the electric bike market. With its impressive range,